I just wish we could go back to the old days when people made things to last. They were not built to break. I don't know where we just got off course somewhere along the lines. I think really what it is like money and greed and everybody wanting a piece really quickly. Like, so they just quickly make something that doesn't last. And so they make their millions, but they made their millions on air. They provided a piece of garbage to you, you know, that they know is going to fail in about a year, and they know you're probably going to come back and buy another one. So they created this like loop of, it's like a subscription to getting your pop-up canopy. So they created a product that within 2 years will fail, which makes you need to go back and get a new one. So you look for a new one, but they're all the same. They just have a different box. That's how companies do it these days. What they do is they're taking a product that is mass produced in a factory someplace in the world. They buy a certain percentage of that mass produced product, let's say the pop-up canopy. They put their own box and label on it, and then they sell it as their own. And there's 35 companies that are all doing the same thing and selling the same product. And the pop-up canopy is the best example of planned obsolescence. It's like a subscription to, it's like you're forced into a subscription to buy pop-up canopies. It's crazy. Like, nobody makes one that will last. There's no tarp material that doesn't degrade with the sun. I don't know. And then everybody complains about the microplastics when they're going to a place like, you know, one of these big box stores to buy a pop-up canopy, and within a year it breaks, or, you know, somebody doesn't close it right and the arm gets bent. Do you think you can go buy a replacement arm for the pop-up canopy? No, you can't. You can't buy replacement parts for anything anymore. They sell everything as a unit. And I get it. I mean, it kind of makes sense. It simplifies, you know, manufacturing. But anyway, let's pause on this thought right now.